Anvil is a band formed in 1978 in Toronto, Canada. The band began playing in the genre known as speed metal, like on this image. Anvil's story began in 1973 in Toronto when Stephen Colbin and Robin Rainey began playing music together, but it was not until 1978 when the band was completed with all the members. Since the evolution of this genre often includes with the thrash metal.
People who fight for their dreams are those that often encounter more than once, rise again, and they continue to fight for their goals and dreams. The band Anvil is an example for all human beings because they show that never give up no matter how difficult the things they have for to do. People of this band show how strong they are to realize their dreams become true. They believe that at least 5 people will be at the concert that they will present in Japan, but many people recognize the talent of these men. On this day, the people in the audience were a millions of thousands. This teaches us that people should always think positively because everything in this world is possible to do.
His style has influenced many bands of the genre, like Slasher or Metallic. The group history is reflected in the film Anvil.